Hey guys, welcome to another episode of AORUS 101. My name is Van, and today we're going to teach you how to install your very first graphics card. Now, before we begin, this video is just meant to be a quick overview. If you want to find out more information, visit the AORUS.com blog, where we'll be breaking down this entire process with much more information. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete the installation. Once you have that, we're ready to begin. In front of me, I have a system that's almost completely assembled other than the graphics card. If you don't know how to put together a PC, stay tuned for future AORUS 101 videos, which will be coming very soon. The first thing you have to do is flip your system on its side. This will make the installation process much easier. Next, you'll have to remove the rear slot covers from your case. For this installation, we'll be removing 2 slots, but this will vary based on how thick your graphics card is. Usually you're going to want to install the graphics card onto the highest PCIe slot, so that's where we'll be doing it. Once those are removed, it's time to plug in the card. All you need to do is line up the card with the slot and then push down. Make sure that the card is inserted into the PCIe slot. Try to avoid using extreme pressure, otherwise you may damage your components. Once your card is inserted, you're going to want to secure the card by screwing in the graphics card bracket to the case. After that, you're going to insert the power cables into your card. For this example, we're using an AORUS GTX 1080 Ti, which will require 2 8-pin power connectors. Go ahead and insert those, and then you should be good to go. Do one last visual check, and then it's on to the moment of truth. Flip your PC back on its feet, plug in the power cord, pray to the PC gaming gods, and then turn on the power. If you've installed everything correctly, your graphics card should light up and the fans should be spinning. Check to see if your PC boots up properly, and then you should be all set. Hope you guys found this episode of AORUS 101 helpful. If you have additional questions, drop us a comment down below. We'll have more guides, tutorials, and how-tos coming very soon. In the meantime, follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. My name is Van from AORUS, and we'll see you guys next time.